Hey everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can fix Chrome login issues. So if you cannot sign in to Chrome with your Google account, whether it's stuck on loading, showing errors, or not accepting your password, this video will walk you through how to fix Chrome login issue fast. So before anything else, make sure that you have a working internet connection. You can try opening another website in here, and if it doesn't load, the issue isn't Chrome, it's your Wi-Fi. And then you can also just try restart Chrome completely. You can close all Chrome windows, even background ones, and then you can just reopen it. And because sometimes a simple restart fixes login syncing error instantly. And you can also try to clear the cookies and cache because corrupted cookies can block sign-ins. So go to the three dots in here, go to settings, find privacy, and in here tap on delete browsing data and check this cookies and other site data and also the cache image and files, and after that you can just tap on delete data. You can also turn off problem extension because intention like ad blockers or VPNs can interfere with Chrome login. Here you can just go to the extension settings by clicking on the three dots, extension, manage extension, and just toggle off the extension that interfere your logins. And if login works in incognito mode or a guest window, it means something in your current profile is broken. And next, you can also try resetting sync from your Google account dashboard. And that's how to fix Chrome when it won't let you sign in. If this worked for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on the thanks. Bye!